Okay, it looks like we should be good to go. Well, apparently Merle doesn't want to join us today on this, but this looks real cute with Dolly just there, especially because I did buy these boxes before I knew I was going to have both dogs. So yeah, this only came with the birthday girl thingy. They also forgot to send the little snippet thingy that they do every month, unless the happy birthday card is that version of it. But yeah, let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome to the final Pupbox review we will be doing, at least with these two, because this is their 1 year box and I discontinued our subscription to it. But as you can see, Dolly's hanging out today with us. Merle's off to the side. He's just not at all interested until he can get the toys. But you can see here it's all birthday themed. So we do have their chicken flavored cinnamon rolls. Chicken flavored rolls, not cinnamon, just chicken. I can speak English sometimes. But yeah, you can see we have those there. We have some Pupfetti poppers, which are just like, they look like cake. Like, they're very crumbly. They look like this. They're kind of just falling apart. That, yeah, super falls apart. Oh, Merle, you want to join in? Good boy. We have a squeaky cake piece, which obviously got their attention. And a donut. I don't like the donut because the plastic bits are inside the donut here, so like you can kind of hear it there, but they're gonna get stabbed by those, which I'm not super excited about. Merle, up. It did come with this cute little magnet thing that on the back you can fill out your dog's information, so if emergency services needs to come in, they can quickly find your stuff, which we're a fan of that. Different things to do of things that are gonna end up happening at some point, hopefully not, but very well could. Protecting your pup from having an emergency, evacuation plans, what to do if they're bit by snakes, stung by bees, wasps, signs of anaphylactic shock, and what to do, which 9 times out of 10, anaphylactic shock, go to the ER if your vet's not open, because yeah, they can help you out. Birthday, celebrate your birthday, comes the birthday cake recipe, that's the words. But yeah, and then the girl box, apparently, because we have to have pretty things, comes with a cute little bandana. Had I had this whenever we went to their birthday party we had a couple weeks ago, she would have worn this and Merle would have had the hat on the whole time. But I didn't open this in time, so there is that. Yeah, not too mad, just kind of a simple box, but not really getting what I was hoping to get out of it anymore. The first few months were great,